What's up and welcome back to my channel. Hello, hi, how's everybody doing? By this time you will have seen 2 other videos go up on my channel. Yes, it is Wednesday, October 26th, and I figured that I would do my very first life admin day video. I got the idea after watching Evelyn from the internet. I've been binging like all of her videos, so shout out to her. And I figured, you know, I would film it because it's something that I do honestly every Wednesdays and Sundays that I'm home to just regroup, because those are my days off. But this weekend I have Saturday off as well, so I'm gonna see how much I can get done today. I just got back from being out and about, hence why I look like this. I currently got one of the first things on my list, which is to do a bit of an oil treatment before I hop in the shower and wash my hair, because that is another thing on my to-do list, my mental to-do list, because I still gotta write it down. But yeah, I figured that this would be a fun video to give you guys an idea of just what a day in my life looks like. So yeah, you know, let's get into it. Alright, I've got my list. She's pretty small because everything that's on my list is everything that I actually want to get done. So I've got put away my clothes / unpack, because I still have clothes here from when I returned on Sunday that I haven't unpacked. So we're gonna take care of that today. 2 is to change my bed sheets, because I like to change up my bed sheets like right before we enter the new month. And considering the fact that we're on the last leg of October, which is crazy to me, yeah, for some reason I just noticed that every time it's like time to like declutter and just clean my apartment, I always end up doing it right before the start of the new month. Not on purpose, that's just what happened. I'm gonna follow suit and do it again. 3 is wash my hair, of course. I already went ahead and took the initiative to do a little oil treatment in the meantime. 4 is to clean out the garbage bin, because I already dumped out my garbage for today. I just want to clean out the garbage bin itself because she's looking crazy. And then 5, I want to edit a video, and it's actually going to be one of the videos that you guys have already watched by the time you're watching this particular video. Also, I'm very upset at myself because I accidentally deleted some footage from my getaway vlog. Luckily, it was just like the first 2 clips, but it's still sad. So yeah, let's get started with putting away some clothes and unpacking. Okay, so we did one portion of the list, which was unpack, So finally got that clothes out of the suitcase. Now I'm just gonna sort everything that I took out. It was a small trip and we were just there a weekend, so thankfully I didn't pack too much. So I'm just gonna sort all of this and just gonna sort it all out, put it away, and that'll be it for task number 1. Oh, I'm actually excited to be getting everything done. Yay! Wait, oh my gosh, y'all, the sunset. Look at it. Also, don't mind my windows. I have like this netting situation that they put here for safety reasons. We said, wow, come on, view. Look at the clouds. Look at the sky. That's beautiful. If that's one thing I'm gonna miss about the sunsets, is just being able to catch them, because we go into daylight savings on the 6th, and that's in what, the next 2 weeks. So I'm just trying to enjoy as much of the view as possible, because it's gonna start getting dark early and all that stuff, but we do gain another hour of sleep. Yeah, but we've already did number 1, put away clothes and unpack. Number 2 is to change the bed sheets. So let's go ahead and do that. And then I think after I do that, I'm gonna eat before I wash my hair, because I'm starting to get a little hangry. I don't know why I'm so sweaty, but it's fine. Finished up with my bed. Now I'm really gonna eat because I'm hungry. I'm gonna chill out for a bit while I eat. Probably watch a bit more of YouTube or maybe some anime, or probably see what they have on Netflix. And then I'm going to go ahead and knock out my third task, which is to wash my hair. But we already got 2 tasks down. All right, I'll probably end today with washing my hair. Actually, I'm lying. I cleaned out my garbage bin and wiped it down. So I actually have 4 tasks done so far. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, I'm gonna see where I'm at after I wash my hair, and then potentially edit like half of my video, or just try to edit as much as I can before I close out for the night. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, let's eat. Hold on. You ever just be searching for something to watch on TV that by the time you're done searching, you've eaten all of your food already? That's usually me, but tonight I know what I want to watch. And yeah, I'm also very excited to get these next couple of videos out, just because I'm really excited to edit again and just post again. So far I'm thinking that I'll be posting every Monday, just because I typically have like my Sundays off. So due to that, you know, I want to just use my time wisely and, you know, just be smart, work smarter, not harder, and also schedule my videos. So far it's looking like every Monday, which is looking really, really good. Yeah, I'm gonna bust down. I think I'm gonna watch 28 Days Haunted. Is that what it was? Let's see. I'm pretty sure it was 28 Days Haunted. It's where these people, white people, they they're like psychics and mediums, and so they're going into like haunted territories and learning the mysteries of what's going on in there. And I'm into stuff like that. I used to watch Scariest Places on Earth when I was younger, and my dad could not stand when I would put stuff like that on. He'd be like, change the channel. So I'm gonna watch a little bit of that. Let's see what it entails.
Look at the cabinets.
Oh shoot.
Man, I don't feel too good right now. This feels like a warning. Something's happening, dude. What was it? Guys, this is gonna get real.
See, this is the thing that I always find interesting about these social experiments. I'm like, you know you're not supposed to be in there. You know you shouldn't be messing with that stuff. What struck you in your curiosity to go into these spaces? Because I sure as hell wouldn't. Absolutely not. You got me jacked up. Nope. But I'm gonna watch you do it. Your girl is still editing, but I'm really happy with how the video is turning out. I can't wait for y'all to see this. It's gonna be so cute. But yeah, it's 11:21 right now, so I figured that I'm just gonna keep editing as much as I can until 12 midnight, and then I'm gonna hit the hay because I do have an early morning. And it's safe to say that this video is gonna go up on Saturday, so by the time you're watching this video, it'll more than likely be a Monday by the time you guys see this video go up. But yeah, so far so good. Really liking how this is turning out. It definitely feels like me, and I feel like not just my personality, but like my best friend Aja's personality shines through as well. So yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see this one, but I'm gonna call it a night. I will catch you guys in the next one.